Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are solve a interesting maths problem which is x to the power 2 plus x to the power 2 over x plus 1 whole to the power 2 is equal to 3. X is equal to what? How to solve this interesting maths problem. So our math solution. First of all, our question, I take our question which is x to the power 2 then plus this is x to the power 2 over and this is x plus 1 bracket power is 2 is equal to 3. This is our question. Now according to exponential formula you can see this expression, it will be x to the power 2 plus and this expression it will be that a to the power n over v to the power n which is a over v whole to the power n. I apply this maths formula here, so which is x over x plus 1 bracket whole to the power 2. Because of that this exponent 2, this exponent 2, so both are same, then is equal to 3. Now at this moment here is x, so let a is equal to x and v is equal to x over this is x plus 1. Now at this moment I substitute this below here, so which is a to the power 2 plus this is b to the power 2, I substitute this below here, is equal to 3. Then we know that a square plus b square, which is a plus b, you can see easily it will be a plus b whole square minus 2ab or a minus b whole square plus 2ab. So I take this formula here, a plus b whole square minus 2ab, or you can see easily here a minus b whole square plus 2ab. You can apply both formula here, but I apply this formula a minus b whole square plus 2ab. So here is a is equal to x, so I take this x here minus b is equal to x over x plus 1 bracket power is 2, this 2 plus 2ab, a is x and b is x over x plus 1 is equal to 3. Then this is x minus x over x plus 1, so you can see here is least common value is x plus 1, so this times this x times x, this is x to the power 2 plus this x times 1, this is x minus this divide this is 1 times x, this is x bracket whole to the power 2 plus and this is 2 times x, this is 2x to the power 2, and here x plus 1 is equal to 3. Then you can say here this x and this x is cancelled, we'll find out this is x to the power 2 over this is x plus 1 bracket whole to the power 2 plus and this is 2x square, I take this 2 here and this is x square over x plus 1 is equal to 3. But here x square over x plus 1, this is x square over x plus 1, so let x square over x plus 1, this is y. Now I substitute this below here, so which is y to the power 2 plus 2y is equal to 3. Then this is y to the power 2 plus 2y, and if I move on this 3 in this side, it will be negative 3 is equal to 0. Then at this moment I do middle factor here, so it is a nice quadratic equation. This is y to the power 2 plus 3y minus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Then here y is common, so if I take y is common, this divide this is y, plus this divide this is 3, minus 1 is common, this is y, plus 3 is equal to 0. Then you can say here is y plus 3, this is y plus 3, so y plus 3 is common. So if I take y plus 3 is common, so this divide this is y, and this divide this is minus 1 is equal to 0. Then we are find out here is two case, or first case which is y plus 3 is equal to 0, and other case y minus 1 is equal to 0. Then you can say this is y is equal to minus 3 and this is y is equal to plus 1. But remember that y is equal to x square over x plus 1. I substitute this below here, because of that our target x is equal to what? So you can say this expression, it will be x to the power 2 over x plus 1 is equal to 3 minus 3, and this is x to the power 2 over x plus 1 is equal to plus 1. Then you consider this times 1, it will be x to the power 2, and this 1 times this, it will be x plus 1. So we are find out a nice quadratic equation which is x to the power 2 minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, and c is equal to minus 1. Then you can say here x is equal to minus b plus minus square root v square minus 4ac over 2a. I apply this math formula here, so which is x is equal to minus b is minus 1, and this is plus minus square root minus 1 whole square b square minus 4ac is 1 and c is negative 1 over 2a is 1. Then here x is equal to 1 plus, because of that minus minus this is plus 1, square root this is plus 1, minus 1 power is even number, it is always positive, plus 4 times 1 this is 4 over 2 times 1 it will be 2. So we are find out our real solution x is equal to 1 plus minus square root 5 over 2. This is our final answer in this exponential expression. But other case which is x to the power 2 is equal to 3 times x minus 3x, 3 times 1 minus 3, then we are find out a nice quadratic equation. So you can see easily this is x to the power 2 plus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now if I apply this math formula here, so which is x is equal to minus b is minus 3 plus minus square root v square, so 3 square minus 4ac is 1 and c is 3 over 2a is 1. Then which is x is equal to minus 3 plus minus square root 9 minus 12, 4 times 3 this is 12 over 2 times 1 it will be 2. Then here x is equal to minus 3 plus minus square root minus 3, 12 minus 9 this is minus 3 over 2. Now you can say this is x is equal to minus 3 plus minus square root negative 3, it will be square root 3i, it is a complex number, over 2. So we'll find out here is a 4 solution, this is our 2 solution, and this is our real solution, 2 solution. So this is our final answer in this German Maths Olympiad question. Thank you all. If you enjoy this math problem, please subscribe my channel for other interesting video. Goodbye, take care everyone.